let's go to the next one. The importance of ledger. Now, what's the importance of ledger? We talked about the ledger. We know journal, how much important the journal is, because transaction come and we just recorded at that time. Immediately we are recording in the journal book. So this is why journal is so much important. Otherwise, it's not possible to actually calculate the transactions amount, right? To keep track of this transactions. So journal is important based on that. But what about ledger? Ledger is important because it helps you to monitor first of all. Secondly, to control the business's financial operations. To control the business financial operations. For example, you know what's your purchase. If you know what's your purchase by looking at the purchase accounts book, if you know what's your sales by looking at the sales book, account, that if you go through the sales account and you got to know that this is your total amount, your sales. If you go to purchase, you got to know this is your total purchase amount. So if there is any misplaced, if there is any ups and downs, like for now it need to be more sales, like for now it need to we need to make sales up to 2 lakhs, but we have only 1 lakh sales. For purchase, we our target line is 20,000, but we make 50,000, right? So now there are some ups and downs in business. So by looking that purchase on sales account or book, whatever we say, that purchase and sales account, we can easily find out what's the problem. We can easily monitor like how many purchase has done in one day, how many sales has done in one day. Are we able to meet up our target or not? Is it more or less than our target? If more, then okay. What else to do, make to more, and if it is less, then how we can do better. So this is how, by monitoring the ledger, by monitoring the business purchase and sales, we can control our business. We can take our business in our hand. So it's actually very much important. Okay, so business financial positions. So main thing is sales. So through sales, we are making the revenue. If we can't go to the target line, if you can't meet up the target line, then there will be a huge risk of a loss, right? So that's the reason monitor your financial positions and take a control of it. Very important. And how we can monitor and control our financial position? Through ledger. Okay. So the ledger stores and organizes the information needed to prepare company's financial statements. It also provides the tools for the analysis. It also provides the tools for the analysis of accounts and transactions. As we have separate accounts here, so we can, from that accounts, like we know the total of purchase is this, the total of sales is this. Now from there we can easily make the financial statement, right? From now we can easily make our balance sheet, right? Or we can make our profit and loss account, right? If the sales is more, then there will be more chance to be profitable. If the sales is less, then there is a huge chance to get there is a risk to be a loss in business, right? So from ledger we can easily make our financial, we can easily prepare our financial statement. And also this ledger provides the tools for analysis of accounts and transactions, because over here we know with whom this much purchase has been done, with whom this much purchase has been done. So we can easily actually take the decision. We can easily analyze the accounts. We can easily analyze those accounts and take a decisions based on that, right? So that's the reason ledger is very much important. And another thing is I have you can see a draw over here. First one, profit and loss calculation. So definitely I told you, profit and loss calculations you can easily do through that accounts, right? Then it is extract positions of account. Exactly what the position right now. For example, it's maybe today is 25th or 20. Maybe today is 18th, right? Today is 18th. Yeah. So just now 18th. What's my purchase? Total purchase of my business. What's the total sales of my business? I can easily find out the exact information of that particular account, right? So this is only possible from ledger, not from journal or anywhere else. So from exact position I can find out the profit and loss, right? If you want to make it, and it's a very time saver, very much convenient, right? We don't need actually much time. So from purchase, as the account's name is separate, and total the account's detail has been given in that specific account. So from there we can directly make our profit and loss account. From there we can make our balance sheet. That means assets and liabilities. So it's a very much time saver, right? We don't need any other tools. We don't need any other steps to follow to make the financial statements. So this is very much time saver. This is very much convenient, right? For a business, time is money. There is a proverb, right? So of course there should have some time management, and ledger can help you that. So this is the importance. This is the reason ledger has been actually maintained in each and every business.